Good morning, you guys and girls. This is Miss Sipe. I'm just going to do a short demonstration for you on rounding and estimation. So for this week, what we're doing is rounding numbers and estimating them. It's a way to use math to just sort of easily figure out quickly what the answer might be. So you're going to see these numbers right here, 780, 95, and 342. So the first thing I'm going to figure out is what am I going to round my nearest number to? I am going to round my numbers to the nearest hundreds place. So first thing I'm going to do is look at my number and I'm going to say, okay, this is the number that's in the hundreds place. The one behind it is the one that I have to use to determine whether or not I round up or I round down. So remember what I had said last week. If it's 5 and above, if the number is more than 5 behind it, that means we're going to give it a shove, or we're going to let it soar above the other one. If it's less than 4, it's going to stay the same. So if we look at this, our number 8, yep, that's more than 5. So we're going to round our 7 up to 800. That's rounding it up. My next number is 95. I'm looking at this number. There is no number in my hundreds place, but I'm still rounding to 100. So I'm still going to do the same thing. I'm going to look at the number that would be behind it. I'm going to look at that number. Is it 5 or above? Yes. So we will be rounding 95 to 100. And you can kind of look in your head and think, okay, yes, 780 is definitely closest to 100, which would be, or 800. 95 is definitely closer to 100 than it is to 90. Our last one is 342. I know 3 is in my hundreds place. I'm going to look behind my 3. That number 4, not 5 or above. So it's going to stay the same. So there's my 300. So for today in math for rounding, you're estimating the closest number to the 100 place. And there is your example for the day. Thanks, everyone.